Earth is beautiful as it is, but what if it looked like this? A celestial halo, cosmic crown, rings transform a planet from a simple sphere into something otherworldly. For centuries, Saturn's rings have mesmerized us. Those icy particles dancing in a gravitational ballet ignite our imagination. But what if we had rings? Would they be a glittering spectacle or a disaster? Let's reimagine Earth and uncover how rings would reshape everything. Earth with rings would be stunning. Imagine stepping outside and gazing up at shimmering arcs of ice and rock, stretching across the sky. By day, a celestial tapestry woven with sunlight. By night, reflecting the city lights below in an eerie, ethereal twilight. But this beauty has a dark side. These rings wouldn't be just for show. They'd be massive, stretching thousands of miles across, orbiting Earth's equator. Imagine a band of celestial shadow, permanently cast upon the Earth. We humans take our tides for granted. The moon's gentle tug governs the ebb and flow of our oceans, but introduce rings into the equation, and things get messy. The gravitational pull of those trillions of tons of ice and rock would create tidal forces unlike anything our planet has ever seen. Coastal cities? Gone. Imagine New York City swallowed by the surging tides, London, Venice, Tokyo, all lost beneath the waves. The coastlines as we know them would be redrawn, forcing humanity to retreat inland. Debris, ranging in size from pebbles to boulders, would rain down on Earth in a never-ending meteor shower. Talk about an environmental hazard. Now imagine for a moment that somehow, life finds a way. How would humans adapt to a world forever altered by rings? Our story, from our myths to our technology, would be completely rewritten. Ancient civilizations gazing up at those celestial bands would weave them into their myths and legends. Imagine gods and goddesses residing within the rings, their moods dictating the fall of meteor showers or the ebb and flow of the monstrous tides. Calendars wouldn't be based on the sun or moon, but on the 12-hour cycle of the rings eclipsing the sun. Technology would adapt too. Forget GPS satellites rendered useless by the constant rain of ring debris. Navigation would be a celestial affair, with sailors and travelers charting their courses, using the rings as their guide. And just imagine the art. Every painting, every song, every Netflix show would be obsessed with our planet's dazzling and deadly accessory. But here's a sobering thought: the very rings that unify us in their celestial beauty would also divide us. So what's the final verdict? Are rings a cosmic blessing or a curse? One thing's for certain, they would redefine our very concept of beauty and danger. Imagine sunsets no longer painting the sky in hues of orange and purple, but rather, showcasing the glittering dance of ice and rock as sunlight filters through the rings. But this beauty comes at a price. Space travel? Forget it. The constant bombardment of debris would make launching rockets a fool's errand. And astronomy? Our view of the cosmos would be forever obscured by the dazzling brilliance of the rings, hiding the faint light of distant stars and galaxies. Yet perhaps humanity would find a way. Floating cities, designed to ride the monstrous tides. Earth's rings remind us that even small changes rewrite a planet's destiny. A slight shift in the cosmic dance, a celestial game of billiards, and our pale blue dot could be transformed into something utterly alien. Maybe, in another universe we're thriving under those icy arcs or fleeing their shadows. But here's the good news. We get to choose how to protect our pale blue dot. We get to decide what kind of future we want to build here on this ringless but no less beautiful planet. Want more mind-bending what-ifs? Smash subscribe. Next up, what if the moon exploded?